Yet again, some consolidation coming in for equity markets, which, by the way, has lasted for a fifth consecutive day on the trot, and was quite intriguing. The movement of the equity markets today, considering we came back after a long weekend, with Friday being a trading holiday for us on account of Ganesh Chaturthi. But the global markets did what they had to, and after a long, steep one-way move up, they finally took a pause. And you had almost a 1% fall coming in across the board for U.S. equity markets. To be fair, though, Asia this morning didn't quite take the heat from U.S. equity market movement on Friday night, and most of those markets held out this morning. But having said that, we did have a day's price action to actually react to, but we absolutely stood still for a fifth consecutive day now. So we've shut shop once again, absolutely flat in the Nifty Futures at 17,362. Although it was a more dramatic move for the broader end of the markets. They started off in the red and then saw a nice solid comeback coming in from there, and finally closed in the positive. About 104 stocks going home as the winners, with 70 or 2 the declines. Sectorally, though, not much was happening. Real estate, which was the laggard from last week, that made a comeback. You had real estate as an index contribute about 1.7% to the move. Chemicals was the other big mover sectorally today. You also had a decent move coming in from metals after that Aluminium prices data coming in, which indicates yet again some firm movement and firm prices and buoyancy in the pricing. So Nalco, Hindalco, those were big buzzers today, continued to hold out. Hindalco, in fact, gained about almost 3% in today's trading session. A couple of other stocks which were also in focus was ONGC. Now that crude is at $73 to a barrel, that continues to be in focus. The day, of course, began reacting to Unilever's takeaways, which was a solid one. Longer-term growth engines continue to be robust. That's the commentary coming in from Unilever's AGM. And that was the other stock which was in focus. That said, you also had news over the weekend that Reliance's much-awaited 5G phone, that's Jio Next, has a postponed launch now. It was slated for a Friday launch. Now it gets shifted to Diwali, owing to the semiconductor chip shortage, which has clearly marred the rest of the world as well. And so is the case for Reliance Jio as well. So that stock also was a weak one today. About a 2.25% cut is what you saw for Reliance Industries. That said, news coming in out of Zomato, and a very conscious call to actually stop their grocery business, that's Grofers, given their investment into it. So Zomato was the other stock which was in focus today. And then, of course, you also had a whole host of other buzzers in trade. So Syngene broke out by about 6.5%. Good price volume breakout there. IGL, Mindtree, IRCTC continues a buzz, another 4.25% traction today as well on the stock. But on the laggard side, Idea, AU Bank, Reliance, IndiaMart, MCX, they were all laggards in today's session.